everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about the importance of retelling a story in sequence. Storytelling itself a very biggest part in children's language development. It may be any language, the storytelling plays an important role. So when we narrate a story to the children, we should keep some points in the mind where the children can get the story directly and they can retell a story in proper order. Let us move to the video and how we can say the story effectively. Let us see how we can say the story effectively. Now, story retelling points are setting, characters, problem, happenings, and solution. So we saw five different elements. These five different elements are the major elements in a story. Setting is nothing the time and place where the story is happening. For example, once upon a time, a lion lived in the jungle. So here the place is jungle. And the time is, it may be a day or a night. Now the characters, the people or animals who act out of the story. While narrating the story, we should be much clear about the setting and characters where the children should grasp these points very clearly. The third point is problem. So problem is the plot of the story. What is happening in the story? The incident or a struggle that's happening in a story. Here the narration part should be very much effective. The last 2 points are happening and solution. Happenings are nothing, the events, beginning, middle and end part. Beginning is the start of the story and the middle is the part where the plot of the story happens. End is the solution of the story. So solution is how the story is ending up, what happened in the first and how the story is ending up. That is called solution. These 5 points should keep in the mind to retell a story in a sequence. When children understand all these 5 points, they can easily comprehend a story where the language development easily takes process. Thank you.